Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to change currency on CoinGecko application. Whether you want to see your prices in US dollar, European dollar or any other currency, this feature is super handy if you're tracking crypto investments across regions or just prefer to view prices in your local currency. First of all, open the CoinGecko app on your device and log in. Once logged in, tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner. And then, from the options that pops up on the screen, go ahead and tap on Default Currency under Preference. Now, scroll and select the currency you want to change to. You can choose your primary currency as well as the secondary currency, make a selection, and you will then be able to change your currency right away. Changing currency does not affect your portfolio values, it only changes the display. For multi-currency tracking, you can use CoinGecko portfolio feature to see values in multiple currencies. So that's how you easily change your currency on CoinGecko application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.